We are coming on now on the uses of the dictionary. There are different kinds of information that you can find in a dictionary. For example, the main reason why people look up a dictionary is to find the meaning of the words, which is quite obvious. Words are arranged in alphabetical order, and the definition or the definitions of the words, in case there is more than one definition, are given. Very often, together with phrases or even complete sentences that illustrate how the words are used in the language. Well, also, along with that, dictionaries give other information about words such as their function or part of speech, their pronunciation, and sometimes their origin or roots as well. You must have seen in a dictionary, we have a lot of symbols. We have symbols that are put within brackets and we really don't know what they mean. Now, those symbols are the pronunciation symbols and that we find in a dictionary. So, in another way, a dictionary also helps you how to pronounce the word correctly because we have the pronunciation symbols mentioned in the dictionary. Therefore, a dictionary is of great help in improving a vocabulary and pronunciation. It not only defines a word but also gives you examples that we can use in our spoken English and also in our written English. And you may or you may not know how to use that word otherwise. Till the time you don't look up that dictionary, you may not know how to actually use that word. Therefore, this is when a dictionary can help you. It helps you with the phonetic pronunciation. It helps you with the usage. It helps you using the correct phrases. It helps you using the meanings. It helps you also using the opposite of a word. For example, if you're not sure about the irregular principle, that is the plural form of the word woman, W-O-M-A-N, and many people, they tend to say women's. We've heard a lot of weird pronunciation of that. We also hear people calling woman's. Now, that is absolutely incorrect. So, till the time you don't open up a dictionary and see that the plural of the word woman is women, W-O-M-E-N, you may not really know how to pronounce the word and also how to use the plural of that word. So, while you're looking up a word, you have an opportunity to learn a number of related words that are associated with it. Further, the word may have several meanings. The more you use English, the greater the number of secondary meanings you may want to look up. They are usually in order of how frequently the sense is used. So we may be having more than one meaning for a particular word, but those meanings are generally written in the order of the usage of the how frequently a particular word is used. For example, if we have a particular word, again, let's take up the word woman, and the meaning of the word woman may be the female gender, may also be lady, and may also be other words that we use in different languages. Now, the first word that we generally use instead of when we don't want to use the word woman is a lady. So the lady word would be given before the female gender. We generally tend to use the word female lesser than the word lady, and that is why it is given in that preferential order in the dictionary itself. So this is how the word you are made familiar with the words, and a lot of other words you keep learning. It is also helpful in looking up the synonyms while you are using a dictionary. Looking up synonyms is a good way of confirming that you have actually understood the word. So synonyms, as I have already mentioned, synonyms are words that are the same, the words that have the same meaning as that of the real word. So synonyms are given in a dictionary. For example, the word anger. Anger can also be called rage instead, and you know that this is a synonym of the word anger. To understand what a dictionary is, it is important to differentiate it from a thesaurus as well. Thesaurus is a different kind of a dictionary, and also from an encyclopedia. Thesaurus is a dictionary that does not give you only the meanings, that also gives you a lot of pronunciation, and thesaurus is a different dictionary, whereas encyclopedia is again a different kind of a dictionary. A typical dictionary would not have pictures. A typical dictionary would have only the word meaning, the root and the usage and the tense and maybe the verb or the noun, whether a word is a verb or a word is a noun, whereas a thesaurus gives you a pronunciation more than anything else. And an encyclopedia is different. Encyclopedia these days, you can call it Wikipedia as well. So Wikipedia or encyclopedia gives you a lot of information that is detailed about a particular word, a particular person, a particular place, or whatever you want to find out through the help of the internet. So a dictionary is different from a thesaurus or an encyclopedia. While a dictionary has a list of words in a language with their meanings, a thesaurus is a book in which words are put into groups with other words that have similar meaning. So a thesaurus dictionary has words that are put and grouped together with words that have a similar kind of meaning. And an encyclopedia, of course, we know, contains facts about many different subjects arranged in alphabetical order, or detailed facts about one subject dealing with the aspects of human knowledge. So we know that every encyclopedia, every book, every thesaurus, every dictionary has their own uses. So here I was trying to give you a few important usages of the dictionary, how you can make your vocabulary better, how you can improve your language, and how you can use a particular word in a better form when you want to become a better communicator.